Hey guys, it's your boy Michael here with H&M Limousine, and you know there's nothing worse than going outside to a dead car. No battery or low battery. Now we're gonna go to my 2004 Cadillac Deville V8 with the North Star system. I did try to jump it already. I think I have another problem here because I was originally going to try the Noco GB70 to jump start the car, but the actual battery is under the back seat in these Cadillacs. But here's where the access point is right here. You know, here's the positive cable post over here, and then you could hook up to the ground wire or the ground right there. But unfortunately, I tried the GB70 2000 amp, and this battery is not showing. It's showing it's got 12.6 volts. But every time you go to start the car, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what happens. All you hear is click, 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 click. I mean, it doesn't make that a notorious battery sound. That it don't do that. Watch. You hear it? And the lights are on. Everything's on. Horn works. Everything works. You go to start it, and that's all that happens. So I'm just curious. I don't think it's the battery. And just for shits and giggles, I also have the Hulkman 10.0, which is a beast. I believe this one is up to 4,000 peak amps. The Noco is up to 2,000 peak amps, but the Hulkman 10.0, it jumpstarts 10-liter gasoline engines and 10-liter diesel engines. And this, I hooked this one up. It didn't work either. It just kept doing the same noise, you know, that clicking noise. And I know the starter is actually deep in there. So, I mean, I'm just debating whether I should jump the car directly from the battery on the, like, under the back seat. I mean, I don't think it's going to do anything, because if it wouldn't jump it from the access point here, it's probably not going to work on the battery itself in the back. And for shits and giggles also, I hooked up one of my other little devices. I'm going to show you here. The ThinkPad Mini. And unfortunately, that did not show me. I mean, all it did was show me a door issue, the module issue. That shouldn't have any effect on the car itself to start the car. You know, and I actually got a remote start put in about a year ago, and everything's been fine with it, this and that, and I even unhooked it and tried to start it. Nothing, absolutely nothing. So, you know, I'm just I think I got to do a little more research about this, but you know, just for giggles, I think we're gonna, you know, just check out the back seat really quick. I don't think it's gonna do anything, but see what I can do here. Let's see. Hang on a second. Here's the. Yeah, they're notorious for. Here we go. See what we got here. Yeah, and this is a new battery. Actually, it's a year old. So I don't know exactly. Let me just. I don't think it's really a good idea to. You know, that's in a bad spot. These little cables. Okay, let's see. Let's try the Noco GB70. And these things are great. They work very well. Multiple security features on these. Okay, see what we got here. Fortunately, the cables are kind of short, as we all know. Let me just try to do this with one hand, guys. Bear with me one sec. Okay, there's one. is in the bad spot. This one here is in the really bad spot. I don't know why they... You would think they have them a little more, you know, a little longer. A little bit. Oh, whatever. You get, I mean, is this what it is? Okay. Turn this on. And it's chasing. It's already chasing, which means it's ready to start. Now let's see. If this don't jump, we're going to start the car up immediately. And like I said, usually you don't do this in the back seat on the actual battery, but since the access point under the car hood was not working, no, it's still clicking. Yeah, that is not the problem, guys. It is not the battery. I just wanted to confirm it. Because like I said, even though the battery voltage was showing that it's normal, yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to shut the unit off. With these jump starters, you're supposed to shut the unit off immediately after you jump start the car. Just a little tip for you. A lot of people just rev the engine up, keep revving it up, thinking that the Noco or the Hulkman is going to supply more power or charge the car. That's not the case. Alright, well, this with no means is a failed operation. These two products are great products. I know they're competitors of each other, but they work wonders, especially the 10.0 Hulkman. It delivers incredible power. You could do trucks with this, big trucks up to 10 liter, gasoline or diesel. And the Noco Boost is, I believe, it's up to 8 liter gasoline and 6 liter diesel. It will jump start. And like I said, I've used both of these on many cars, and it's never failed me. Like either one of them. I mean, I just got two, you know, for toys. You know, and actually my Hulkman actually reached out, and they are sending me the Hulkman 8.5, the 8.5S. I believe that's actually the equivalent to the Noco GB70, but it's a little bit smaller than the Hulkman 10.0. It's got all the bells and whistles, you know, the ports, you know. It's got a nice like 600 lumen flashlight on the 10.0. The Noco has a nice flashlight as well. I don't believe it's 600 lumens, but it's up there. Yeah, so I mean, I'm not gonna waste the battery anymore trying to start this thing. So I'm gonna disconnect it from the car. Take the I'm sorry, I didn't mean disconnect the battery. I meant take the key out of the ignition so it don't beep anymore. Yeah, so that's what's happening. So I'm at a loss here. Unfortunately, I'm thinking it's the starter, and there's no good place here for the starter. I mean, to access it, just to check it. That's the issue. You can't just go under the hood and tap the starter with a hammer or something, because it's not under the car. It's under the beauty cover, and you got to take, everything off. It's in the middle there. It's just really a pain in the butt. I've been in there many times before, inside the manifold area there, but yeah, for whatever reason, it's a pain in the butt. So yeah, so that's my take on these two products, the Noco GB70, which is a great product, and the Hulkman 10.0, which is a great product. Unfortunately, it couldn't rectify our problem today, which I tried, like I said, but just wanted to make the video just to show you guys what the products were like. It would have been a lot better if it would have rectified the problem. It would have been a success video, but unfortunately, this is on me. It's not on the products. Well, it's not on me, it's on the car. It's not a battery issue. So guys, click the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and click all for upcoming videos so you never miss one. And I'm your boy Michael with H&M Limousine. Happy New Year, guys.